All right, we know it's not going to last forever, but at least I've got good news. It's going to last through the weekend. I'm talking about these nice temperatures outside. It won't be long before this hour of night we're going to have readings still near 80. Right now, we've got readings in the 60s to near 70. 63 in Jefferson, 72 in Winston-Salem, 69 for Greensboro and High Point and Burlington. Look at Reidsville, 61. Southern counties are in the mid-60s right now. You go off to the south and east down toward Southern Pines, a little warmer. It's 68. We're 69 at the airport. 80 was our high today and 61 degrees our low this morning. We had a beautiful day today as well. Now, a lot of folks are wondering, how is this year stacking up with what we typically see in the month of June? Well, so far we've had one 90-degree day through June 15th, and that day was actually at the end of May. We haven't had a 90-degree day so far this month. Now, last year, by the 15th of June, we'd already had 10 days reach 90, and that year we had 51 total. Now, in 2010, we'd already had 9 days. That year we finished with 67 90-degree days, and that was the record. Now, the last time we were this far down with only one was back in 2009, and that year finished with 24 days of 90-degree heat. Most folks would love a summer like that. It's not so bad. It's a little bit below normal. Normal season has 29.3. So right now we got a lot more in common with 2009. That kind of bodes well for the future. But the immediate future next week, things are going to change. It's going to heat up once more, and I'll show you that in a moment. First of all, as we look at the skies out there across the area today, it's been real nice. Did have just a few clouds in and out at times, the little puffy cumulus clouds, but no problem with that. And skies have been clearing and looking real good right now. And as we look across our region, it's quiet. We've had a couple of little showers coming right down off the coast. The beaches have been in good shape. This is all about 50, 60 miles off the coast with a little system that's farther out to sea. Part of the reason all of our state's good is because the air is dried out. Dew points are in the 50s, even down to Columbia, South Carolina, and parts of central Georgia at a time of year when we could easily see dew points near 70, which we had about 3 or 4 days ago. Now on the weather map, the high pressure system that's been so good to us is going to start working down the eastern seaboard. High pressure that sometimes starts out as a cool dome of high pressure, as it works down to the south, begins to lose that Canadian influence. It starts to warm up, and eventually next week this thing's probably going to set up off the southeast coast. Southwest winds come back, and so does a warming trend as temperatures are going to be getting hot. But we've got the weekend to get through first, and if you're going to the mountains, mostly sunny tomorrow, 74, partly cloudy on Monday or Sunday, and 75. And there's a 25% chance for a hit or miss shower in the mountains, but not a big deal if they have it. At the beach, mostly sunny both days, and highs will be in the low 80s. Water temperatures from 71 on the Outer Banks, where Duck is actually warming up finally, and down to the south it's 79 at Wrightsville Beach. All other beaches are somewhere in between. And your forecast for right here at home tonight, clear skies, 59 degrees overnight, mountains down to 52 around the Jefferson-Sparta area. Tomorrow, looking for a high of 81 with mostly sunny skies. And tomorrow night, another fresh night with a low of 58, mostly clear skies. And looking ahead, 81 tomorrow, 82 on Sunday, 86 on Monday. And here comes the reality check. Next week, we're back to near 90 on Tuesday. We should be in the low 90s on Wednesday, and probably will be there on Thursday and Friday of next week as well. So our little 1 is going to probably turn into 2, 3, and 4 next week. Our 3-degree guarantee is for a high tomorrow of 81. And our guarantee for today was for a high of 79, and we had 80 degrees.
Look at the weather, though, on Sunday, too. Perfect cookout weather for Father's Day.
It's going to all be good.
All right. Thank you, Van.